Hey friends, if you wish to disable SMB1 on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So why do we need to disable SMB1? Because it is an obsolete protocol. Nowadays we use SMB2 and SMB3, which are upgraded versions. But computers that use SMB1 are vulnerable to ransomware, and these days ransomware is not much in vogue, but it was a very dangerous thing earlier. Still, it is better to disable this option to remain safe for future. So search for Windows features in the Windows search bar and click on turn Windows features on or off. Then scroll down and you'll find this option for SMB1. Uncheck it, click on OK, and then you have to click on restart now to restart the system, and the SMB1 protocol will be disabled. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.